You asked, how to divide 8659 by 4 using the long division method. 8 divided by 4 equals 2. 2 times 4 equals 8. 8 minus 8 equals 0. Bring down 6, making 6. 6 divided by 4 equals 1. 1 times 4 equals 4. 6 minus 4 equals 2. Bring down 5, making 25. 25 divided by 4 equals 6. 6 times 4 equals 24. 25 minus 24 equals 1. Bring down 9, making 19. 19 divided by 4 equals 4. 4 times 4 equals 16. 19 minus 16 equals 3. The remainder is 3. The final result is 2164 remainder 3.